Hello everyone, this is Bethany from Southern Couture, and you are looking at the mixtape devotional from Illustrated Faith. And you might be thinking, it's almost time for gratitude documented if you work through the Illustrated Faith kits each month. And you're absolutely correct. So one thing that I'm going to share today is something on my heart that I think is so important that other people need to hear too and be encouraged. So first of all, before I get started, thank you to Illustrated Faith for always being so gracious, sending me this kit so that I can share it with all of y'all and kind of give you some inspiration, hopefully, and ideas for working through the devotional kits each month. Now, there was a little bit of a shipping delay with this and also some delays with my schedule and preparing for baby number 2 and a family vacation, things like that. So one thing though that I'm learning and I think will be very helpful in the coming months with another baby being added in the mix is that giving yourself grace and keeping things simple is so important. I've said it so many times when I've done other, an Advent, which is a daily type study, or gratitude documented that's coming up. Anything that the 100-day books where we've done something daily, so it can be a big commitment and we start to beat up ourselves and think that we can't do it because we know we won't stick to it and we'll get off track and all those other excuses that I think the enemy tries to throw in our heads. So today I'm going to be very open, real, honest with all of y'all and hope that it will help you. So maybe some of you are in the same boat. And if you're thinking, I don't know if I want to do gratitude documented, I don't know if I want to do Advent study or anything like that, hopefully this will encourage you to do it anyways. And if that means keeping it simple, then that's what it means. It means don't compare yourself to others. Don't compare yourself to someone who is doing a study in the devotional, a traveler's notebook, a Bible entry, a memory dex card, all of those things. I've been one of those people in a season where I could do multiple types of projects and entries each day. And then there's seasons where you just can't. And that is okay too. So that's what I'm here to tell you today and encourage you and share how to just keep it simple, how to just use what you have here in the kit, if that may be, if you were to add a few things or not, and study. So one thing that I'm going to be doing is just working through the devotional booklet that comes with it. Now, in the booklet, there is not a whole lot of extra space for notes, and you'll know how much I'm a wordy person, and I like to use another traveler's notebook, or I'll add tip-ins and all of that. I always embellish my traveler's notebooks. You guys know that. I use tons of printables and supplies from the kit. I add tip-ins, pockets, all of that. And this season right now, it's just not going to be feasible and possible for me to do that with this kit. And that is okay too. I'm not beating myself up about it. And I would encourage you, if you're in that kind of season, to do the same thing. If you're not, that is great too, okay? So what I'm planning to do is just do some very simple reading through here, highlighting, marking with my pen, and then having a sticky or something where I can add notes if I choose to, but not where I have to have something like that. And I love how there's already this place for scriptures and this homework thing. So it's already all done for me. It's already in here, and I can just read through it and work through it and go for it. Another thing that's great about these kits is that as I go through this and keep it simple, that if I want to add some fun other embellishments, I can. So this is just the kit sticker that came with it. I'm sure many of you have already seen the supplies in the kit, but I'll just kind of share just in case. And then we had the washi. Now, I'm a huge washi fan, and black and white spotty dot, y'all know is my jam. And so when I saw this one, I about had a fit. And so I will probably be adding some little pieces of washi, here or there, just to add a little accent on the page just for fun. And that takes 2 seconds to do, so that's not something that I have to worry or stress about getting done. That's going to take up a lot of time or whatever if I don't have it. Absolutely adore this stencil, and so I may add a certain word or a phrase in the pages using this stencil. Am I going to be able to pull out all of my mixed medium and paints and go crazy with it like I want to? Maybe not right now, and that's okay. I can still use it for stenciling certain letters or words, like I said, or phrases. And just even this, do not be anxious. That would be so fun just as I'm reading through and that comes to mind. Maybe just to take a pen and stencil it right on the page. And that's okay too. and it's a stencil I have now, so I will be able to use it when that season or time comes up, and I can go crazy with all the fun art mediums, right? Another thing that's great about this kit is it also comes with the alphabet stickers. And this one has 2 sheets of them, so you have plenty. I love this font. And so what I can do is totally go in here and, you know, maybe add something right here, like a phrase or a word that sticks out. If there's something that's sticking out to me here, just put those stickers on the pages. Put it here, anywhere that I find space. And then I'm sure I will have some left over because they give you so many. I can use these for future projects, which is absolutely great. And one reason why I love these kits, and I've told y'all that so many times, is that you get such a bang for your buck that you're not stuck to just using it for this one study and all of it's gone and there it is. Okay, they do stretch pretty far. That's another great thing. Okay, these are the little cards that come with it, the author card and the thank you card. So you could even use this little card here that's the thank you and color crush card and put it in there as a little tip in, and you know, use the alpha stickers or put notes on it too, and just use that without adding something else. Now the stamps, I don't know, will I pull out a black ink pad and do some stamping? Maybe. That would be a lot of fun. I would love to play around with this cassette tape with different colored inks, but probably not in this season right now, and that's okay too. This is one that is so fun and such a creative idea to use later that I know I will. Even like the accents, heart, the flowers, the butterfly, these little phrases are words that I'll be able to use in the future, you know, with other entries too, and that's why I love these kits. I like to stretch the materials too, so even the card here that's on the packaging could be used as a tip in, and then maybe put a few little alpha stickers on it, some washi for something that stood out to me, and then just tape it right into the pages. So make it work for you. You don't have to go get a lot of other things if you don't have the time to do that right now. And then the last part of the kit are these really fun ephemera pieces. You've got these large tags and some other florals, or looks like some leaves and things like that. So these are pieces that I could put directly in here as well, with writing just with a black pen some notes, stick it in there with some washi, and I'm done. So that is what is so great, and that's why I'm encouraging all of you and myself that if you have even past kits from 6 months ago or a year ago that you haven't opened up because you were so intimidated or afraid that you wouldn't be able to put all your art supplies and all that extra detail into it that you might see other people do, go grab those kits and work through them. If the Lord's speaking to your heart about a certain topic, go pull it and work through it. Even if it's just using the supplies in the kit. It doesn't have to be all the supplies. If it's just getting out this devotional booklet and a black pen and, you know, meeting God in the Word, that's what it's really all about anyways. All this other stuff is just extra and fun that we like to do, but it's totally not necessary. And so I just want to encourage you, remind you to keep it simple if that's the season that you're in. And if you're in a season, like I said before, to do more, then that is great too. I just encourage all of you to get in the Word, but please know you're not alone if you're in that kind of season right now. I am myself, and I just want to give myself grace, and I want all of you to do the same. So if you have any questions, suggestions, encouragement for others that might be in that type of season too, or just need to hear that it's okay and you got it and keep going, leave those down in the comments so others can read them, and I look forward to reading them myself too, as I may need them. So make sure that you are subscribed, make sure you click that little bell icon so you know when the next video is coming out, and I will see y'all again very soon. Have a great day. Bye-bye.